I love fish. I grew up in Seattle, which means fish was on the table every night. These are like my pom-poms for fish. So I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to cook salmon. Miso is like peanut butter, but with soybeans instead of peanuts. I'm gonna grab a good amount of that, that's about a quarter cup, right into a dry, hot pan. You kind of want to get it nice and dark. We've got bok choy. Leave the leaves, and then I'm gonna cut the base. Bok choy is one of those really bad first date dishes. Imagine eating this on a date, like she's not calling you back. This is getting nice and dark. Oh yeah, rice wine. If you don't have rice wine, just use white wine. And now it's really starting to look like caramel. Throw in some water, just to create some steam. Grab a plate. Take this off the heat. I'm gonna add little chunks of butter. This is exactly what you're looking for. All the butter has melted. Grab this little bowl, scrape all that in. Now we're gonna wipe out the pan. So let's just take a look at this bok choy real quick. They're not done. I forgot that was hot. It's cool. So the pan is on a screaming high heat. This is salmon cooking 101. Grab a little salt. So to have a really, really crispy skin, pinch both sides of the salmon and create these little slits. The salt can kind of fall in. Soybean oil, skin side down. See the white climbing up towards the pink? So when you're about 90% of the way, that's when it's time to flip. I'm gonna take that miso butter and I'm just gonna kind of throw it everywhere around the salmon. Let's check our greens. I'm gonna turn off the heat here. Beautiful. No water left right into the plate. And then we got the salmon and just kind of brush the sides with all that miso butter. So I'm gonna take one of these guys, put it right over that bok choy. Just a little bit more of that miso butter. Sexy, different, unbelievable. This one is a keeper. Remember that. For more recipes, head to joelgamoran.com.